Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wizard wand is probably one of the most enchanting toys a child can own, instantly transporting them to a world of magic and wonder. These wands are more than just props. They are keys to unlocking creativity and imagination, encouraging kids to roleplay and create their own magical adventures. Whether it's casting spells or simply pretending, a wizard wand can provide hours of fun and imaginative play. Number 5. Harry Potter 12-inch Spellbinding Wand. This is the official Harry Potter Spellbinding Wand. It's a must-have for any fan's collection. Pretend to cast spells and collect your favorite characters' wands. This authentic 12-inch replica wand is highly detailed. It has a weighted base, making it easy to hold. It's the perfect accessory for your Wizarding World adventures. Practice wand movements on the included card to learn the Aguamenti spell. Each spellbinding wand comes with a different card featuring an iconic spell. These wands make great gifts for birthdays, Christmas, or any special occasion. Learn your favorite Wizarding World spells with this amazing wand. Discover the Wizarding World with this Harry Potter toy. It's the perfect gift for kids. They will love playing with it. The package includes one wand and one spell card. It is covered by the Spin Master Care commitment. What we like. This wand is an official Harry Potter product, perfect for any fan. It has authentic details, making it feel like it came straight from the Wizarding World. If you're looking to start or expand your collection of Harry Potter merchandise, this is a great choice. What people say. As described, great play wand for the kids and made with a more sturdy material than expected. Kids absolutely love it. It is a decent size and decently sturdy. Great quality, and box looked so cute that it came in. Number 4. Skeleteen Light Up Magic Wand. This is the perfect costume accessory for anyone dressing up as a witch or wizard. It's a fun and easy way to complete your look. This cool wand has a lighted tip and makes magic sounds when the hidden button is pressed. It's sure to bring your costume to life. Wear it with a robe, cloak, and hat, and you'll look just like a wizard from the movies. It's the ideal accessory. It's also perfect for anyone dressing up as Alex, Justin, or Max Russo from the Wizards of Waverly Place TV show. This wand will make you feel like you're part of the magic. Skeleteen items are made of tested, non-toxic, and safe materials. You can enjoy your costume knowing it's safe. What we like. This wand lights up and makes sounds, adding an extra layer of fun to your play. It's designed as a costume accessory, perfect for dressing up as a witch or wizard. If you're looking for a fun and safe accessory for your child's costume, this wand is a great option. What people say. It has a fun sound to it in addition to the tip lighting up. The blue light and sound is perfect for the effect I am doing. Love the light up tip. My 7-year-old loves it, and I love it because it is sturdy, and I don't feel like it is going to break. Number 3. Disguise Harry Potter Light Up Wand. Are you ready to cast spells like Harry Potter? This wand is the perfect accessory for any aspiring wizard or witch. It's a must-have for any Harry Potter fan. This wand is an officially licensed product from the Wizarding World. It is designed to look just like the one used in the movies. You'll feel like you're right there in Hogwarts. Watch as the tip of the wand lights up with a magical glow. It adds an extra touch of realism to your spells. It's perfect for imaginative play or cosplay. Complete your Harry Potter costume with this essential accessory. It's great for Halloween, themed parties, or just for fun. It will make you look like a true wizard. This wand is the perfect size for young wizards and witches. It's easy to hold and maneuver while casting spells. It's also great for display. What we like. This wand has an illuminating tip, making it visually appealing. It's an official Hogwarts accessory, adding to its authenticity. If you want a wand that looks great and is officially licensed, this is a good choice. What people say. This wand is made really well. It looks just like the wand in the movie. It has a nice light on the end. It's nice and bright and it's easy to use. Perfect for my son's Halloween costume. He even dropped it a few times and it still lit up. Great quality. Very well made and love the light on the end. Number 2. Science for You Magic Potions Kit. Unleash your inner wizard with this amazing kit. It allows you to create your own magical potions using the included cauldron and wand. It's a fun and engaging way to explore the world of science. Discover how to make potions that glow in the dark. This kit provides everything you need to create dazzling effects. It's a fantastic way to spark curiosity and imagination. With this kit, you can make bubbling cauldrons, color-changing potions, and even lava lamps. The possibilities are endless. It's a truly magical experience. This set includes a magic cauldron, wand, potion bottles, and more. It comes with an instruction manual in 7 languages. It provides all the tools for your potion-making adventures. This kit combines magic, crafts, science experiments, and STEM education. It's a complete package for fun and learning. It's designed to stimulate young minds. This science kit is ideal for kids aged 7 and up. It's inspired by the STEAM methodology, encouraging learning in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Looking for a unique gift? This magic potion set is perfect for birthdays or Christmas. It's a gift that will be remembered. It's a great way to inspire creativity. What we like? This kit allows you to make your own potions, combining magic with science. It's designed to be educational and fun, perfect for kids interested in both. If you're looking for a gift that combines entertainment and learning, this is a great choice. What people say. Family fun that will not disappoint. This was a gift well received. Super für me 9 Jarge Tochter. Hat schon jede Mensch Zaubertrank gemacht, und macht seit über einem Jahr immer noch. Da ist jede Mensch zug dabei, damit sie sich richtig ausdeben kann. Number 1. Kids Sound Wizard Witch Illuminating Toy. This wizard wand lights up with a blue glow and emits a magical sound when activated. It feels like a real witch wand, offering an enchanting experience. The wands come in 2 colors, representing different teams. You can choose a side and engage in a fun battle with others. If you're dressing up as a wizard, this wand is the perfect accessory. It's ideal for parties, plays, cosplay events, birthdays, Christmas, and Halloween. This witchcraft wand is a great gift for both boys and girls. The flashing lights and sounds will bring them joy and excitement. Simply remove the battery insulator from the handle, and the fun begins. Get ready for hours of imaginative play with this amazing toy. What we like? This wand features sound and light effects, enhancing the magical experience. It's perfect for cosplay and easy to use. If you're looking for a wand that's great for role-playing and easy to operate, consider this one. What people say. They make sounds and light up. Build quality is great as they've dropped and thrown them and they work just like day one over a month later. If you love Harry Potter, this wand completes the outfit. It even lights up. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.